Welcome to the month of April here at Lichtsinn RV, where we're only 1 mile north of the Winnebago Factory, based right here in Forest City, Iowa. In case you missed last month's Lichtsinn RV live experience, we covered the Winnebago Solis and Solis 59PX with or without the overhead studio pop-top sleeping area. Of course, we took all of your questions live, and that archived recording is now available in our video library on lichtsinn.com. Also, stay tuned later this month as we invite our district manager, Ryan Helgeson from Winnebago Industries, to cover many of the can't-sees, the no-sees from Winnebago Industries, those quality advantages that Winnebago has over the rest of the competitive RV industry. So be sure to look for that Lichtsinn experience, where we invite Ryan Helgeson from Winnebago Industries to talk about all of the quality advantages from Winnebago Industries.
Hi, I'm Cody Leike, RV sales consultant here at Lichtsinn RV. The all-weather Winnebago Solis is designed to be as versatile as it is affordable, and the Solis 59P and 59PX are in stock now at Lichtsinn RV. Built on the fuel-efficient Ram ProMaster chassis, the Solis features all-season insulation and plumbing, a space-extended rear annex, and Truma Combi Eco hydronic heating and on-demand hot water with hot water loop purge. In addition to the cross-coach sleeping below, the optional fiberglass studio loft pop-top easily expands your sleeping space and offers panoramic views and a restful night's sleep with the innovative Froley sleep system. With its heavy-duty vinyl flooring, below-floor storage, 2 exterior wash stations, and the refrigerator easily accessible from inside or outside of the coach, the Solis can adapt to any adventure. Call a Lichtsinn RV sales consultant today to find out about the Winnebago Solis 59P and 59PX models in stock now at Lichtsinn RV.
Get your first look at the 2022 Winnebago Travato at Lichtsinn RV. The Travato has been redesigned and includes the latest Winnebago enhancements. These enhancements include a simplified water system management panel, rear annex hanging rod and curtain, new Ram ProMaster safety enhancements, available PVC whole coach floor mat, relocated monitor panels, updated kitchen and bathroom sinks and faucets, a rear safety strap to quickly open the rear door from the inside, insulated rear window covers with zippered openings, and the new ultra-low quiet Coleman Mach 10 NDQ air conditioner, just to name a few. Additional specific floor plan changes have been made as well. Call a Lichtsinn RV sales consultant today to learn more about the 2022 Winnebago Travato.
At Lichtsinn RV, we want your motorized RV trade-in. Whether you're in the market for a different RV or just ready to pause on the RV lifestyle, let our team at Lichtsinn RV buy your motorhome. It's quick, it's easy. You just need to provide us with a few details and we'll handle the rest. Selling your RV to Lichtsinn RV allows you to avoid the hassle of listing your RV and waiting for a potential buyer. Get more for your RV. Demand is at an all-time high and we need your used motorhome. Let our experts handle the work from cleaning the RV to processing title work. Call a Lichtsinn RV consultant today to find out more about selling your RV to Lichtsinn RV.
That's all for this month's newsletter. Please be sure to chat, call, or text with any of your questions, as we are here for your parts, service, and sales needs.